Another thing that we've been learning is around creating an environment that allows multiple companies to play. And it's really more than feeling like they can play, but also that there's a level playing field. And this is something that we've been learning from our involvement in the Kubernetes community. Microsoft has an existing cloud orchestration solution, and in fact it is an open source solution, and others have cloud orchestration solutions. But when we talk with customers and partners, what we find is that many of them prefer to work with projects where they have started from the ground up to create healthy, diverse participants in the community. Another place that we've been learning is around code stability. And for open source projects, it's very important that developers be able to start with the code that's public, bring it internal private, make changes, integrate, build, test, and then be able to reintegrate back with the public project. And that's not always an easy thing to do. So this is another place where our VS Code has spent a bunch of time building a CI/CD system, but these are needs that are common across all open source projects. And this is something that we are starting to work with some groups in the community to create common tooling around CI/CD for open source projects.